I have a new game. It is called Word Factory. Have you played this before? Alright, let's get started!
Okay, shake your box anak of cubes with letters.
Alright, timer starts now! Mag-game 3 na ta.
Game 3 na ta. Okay, let's open so we can see. Okay. Play with us.
Play with us. Game 3. How do you spell 3, Ma?
T.
Manang T.
What do you have?
I got T and H.
Third.
R.
Correct.
E.
3.
Double E.
Correct.
Alright. No looking, Ma, okay?
It's almost up na din. Time is up.
Done.
Okay, bang bang. Okay. What do you have? Wow! Sige daw, be.
P.
Uy, I don't have that.
P-E-E.
Can you show me?
Pakita
Asan
ko.
man?
Wait.
Sige. Saan na, bang? P.
Ay.
Asan man? Where's another P? Where's another P? Where's another P? Ano? Sige. Look for it.
I can see C.
P.
P. P.
E.
E. E.
Correct.
I saw P.
I don't have it.
I got 1.
Wow, you have 1 point.
June.
What's a dune? Ayakan. Yes, yes. There's a dune. Dune of sand. That's correct.
2.
Wow.
Fat.
Agoy, I don't have that.
Pakita na ko sa'yo mo.
F8. And I'm even fat. Ano wala man ko kakitaan? That's so funny.
Fun.
Okay. Fun. Wow. Wala po ko fan, anak. Wow. Amazing.
1.10.
Wow, 10. Correct.
Naakitan.
Wala ko itan.
C.
C. C. Allah, I don't have C.
1 point. Vep.
There's no such word, anak.
Kanang V-E-E-P.
I don't know that word.
Double word. Double E.
There's no such. I don't think so. Sige, tanaw daw na to. Pila man imong points? Sige daw, be. How many points do you have? 1. 1. How many ones do you
1,
have?
2, 3, 4,
5. 5
1
times 5 equals, if you count 1 5 times,
don't know.
how much would that be?
5.
5 times 1, anak, is like 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. That's 1 times 5. So, how much is this?
5.
Correct.
Equals 5.
Correct. Okay. Sige. How many 2's did you have?
1.
2 times
1.
1. Oh, you put 2 times 1 equals
2.
You count 2 only once. So, how much is it? 2 times 1 equals, you only count once.
1.
Correct. 2. 2, anak. 2. Okay, so 5 plus 2 equals?
2.
5 plus 2 equals?
I got 7 points.
Correct. You have 7 points for game 3. Wow. High five, Beng. Okay. Let's show them your 7 points. Wow. Beng Beng is so good at word factory. High five, Beng. Okay. You read more books so you will have more points.
I want to have 100 points.
Wow.
So, you're going to have 99 points.
Okay.
Or 17.
Say bye-bye to everybody.
Bye-bye, everyone. See you in the next game.
See you in the next game.